Today I want to show you the cord and adapter holder, model QM-CADH. Basically it's an organizational tool we found in our travels. Departments are storing their electrical in multiple compartments all over the place, or if they are together, they're tossed in a box somewhere all tangled up. Hard to find your adapters, the pigtails you need in a hurry, and that's where the holder comes in. It's the same heavy-duty construction as our quick straps, and same heavy-duty hook and loop on the back. So on the front here you have an elastic bandolier. You can see that. And just open these up. Slide your adapters inside. And that's going to hold your adapters nice and secure. They're not going anywhere. So now that we have our adapters secured in place, we can secure our extension cords, our pigtails. Flip the holder over. The holder has 3 hook and loop enclosures. Each one of these enclosures can hold a 25-foot length of 12-gauge cord. And it's really simple. You just take your cord, place it in the enclosure, and you close the hook and loop. Get it nice and secure. You can use different enclosures to store different lengths, different gauges, keep them organized, as well as different pigtails, so you can find everything you need in a hurry. And it's just that simple. And there you go. And what's great about the cord and adapter holder is not only does it secure and organize everything in your compartments, but it's portable. You'll notice this hook and loop strap at the top here. So instead of running back and forth to the truck, grabbing one adapter at a time, or maybe you're not sure what you're going to need, you can just take the whole thing. You can hook it to your turnout gear, you can hook it to a smoke ejector, a blowhard fan, whatever piece of equipment you're carrying. Keep your hands free, and you're good to go. Real simple and easy.